If the compressor circuit breaker has tripped, carry out the following checks. First, check the compressor circuit breaker on the HVAC electrical panel. If it is tripped, then check the wiring of the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker contactor and the P1 connector. If any loose or burnt connection is found, tighten or rejoin the connection. Also check the wiring connection at the compressor motor terminal and tighten any loose wire connection. Then, check the input voltage and the output voltage at the circuit breaker and the circuit breaker contactor. If no output voltage is found at the circuit breaker or the contactor, replace the circuit breaker. Finally, check the resistance at all the three connections of the motor terminal. The resistance values at all the three connections should be same. Also check the ground from each terminal. If any phase is grounded or resistance value is not the same, replace the compressor.